Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE T10E, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings application, and on the side here you want to scroll all the way down to System, and here you'll find a option called Reset Options. Click on it and then select Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. Go over it, see if there's nothing from this that you'd like to preserve, something maybe like photos, music, or user data. If there is, obviously make a backup copy of it, and then you can go back here and select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. I do have a pattern, so I'm going to just draw it. And then select Erase All Data once more, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take about 2, maybe even longer, minutes to finish up on this device, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.